Children, in our previous classes, we have completed lesson 4 from the textbook UK and the Tsunami, and we have started our activity book part lesson 4 UK and the Tsunami. In that we have completed few exercises. Now please open page number 21 from your activity book and let's get started. Our next exercise is spell right. We should fill in the blanks by adding full or less to the words in the brackets. What we have to add? FUL full or LESS to the words which they have given in the brackets. See, for example, check the first one. B dash you may hurt the kitten. Here they have given the keyword care. Here which letters we have to add to this word to make the perfect sentence here? FUL full, careful or careless. Which word is suitable here? Of course, careful. So let us write careful. Be careful. You may hurt the kitten. In the same process we have to fill remaining blanks also. Okay, let us check the second one. This dog looks quite fierce, but actually he is dash harmless or harmful, children? Tell me. Of course, it's look like fierce, but it actually he is harmless. So let us write here harmless. Okay. Now let us check the third one. What a dash puppy you have. Play. Playful or playless? Of course. Playful. What a playful puppy you have. Okay. Let us check the next one. See, Joy spent a dash night because of the noise and light from the neighbor's party. Of course, sleepless. If we have any disturbance, we can't sleep, right? So here what we have to add? Sleepless. Okay, let us check the next one. Rani Lakshmibai was a dash warrior. We have to add here fearless. And let us check the next one. Razia befriended the dash woman in the park and took some food for her every day. Homeful or homeless? Razia befriended the homeless woman in the park and took some food for her every day. So we have to write here homeless. She is homeless only, so only Razia is helping the woman who is staying in the park, right? So let us get into our next exercise. Understand grammar. In this exercise, we should fill in the blanks with a, an or the. These three are articles. You to know about it. See, this is dash easy question. This is a easy question, or this is an easy question, or this is the easy question. Which article is suitable here, children? Tell me. Yes. See, when the word starts with vowels A, E, I, O, U, we should use always an. So what we have to use here? An. Let us check the next one. Will you please speak dash little louder? Will you please speak a little louder? Okay, let us check the next one. Deepak is dash finest artist in class. Deepak is the finest artist in the class. So we have to add the here, because for particular person we have to use the. Let us check the fourth one. What is dash name of the next station? If it asks about the particular place or person or particular name, we should use the. So let us write the word the here. What is the name of the next station? Okay, let us check the fifth one. Have you read dash Bible? Here, which article we have to use? Tell me, children. Can you say? Yes. Have you read the Bible? Because particular book name they have mentioned here. So we have to use the here. And let us check the next one. I went to visit dash aunt of mine in Hyderabad. Here again the word starts with vowel. So we have to use the article an. Okay. And let us check the next one. There is dash very short route to reach the post office. Here, which article we have to use here? Of course, a. It is a very, and let us check the eighth one. They have given two blanks over here. The river Ganges flows into dash Bay of Bengal. Tell me children, which articles we have to use in these blanks? In these blanks, tell me children. Of course, here particular river name they have mentioned. So we have to use the. And here again they mentioned particular state. So we have to mention again the. Why we have used here capital letter? Because in the beginning of the sentence, first letter will be always the capital letter. So we are using capital letter here. And let us check the ninth one. Dash early bird catches the worm. Here, see, particular bird they have mentioned. So again we have to use here the. And let us check the next one. Again they have given two blanks over here. Here, a friend. Here we have to mention a. And a friend in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Here again why we have used here capital letter? Of course, in the beginning of the sentence we have to use the capital letter. Okay children, let us get into our next exercise. Circle the correct articles in the brackets. Children, you have to complete this exercise and it is very easy. You to know how to use the articles which is needed in this exercise. Please try. Okay. A squirrel or an squirrel or the squirrel. You know where you have to use a or when we have to use an and where we have to use the. So see particular the word and then you add the article over here. Okay, you have to use the correct articles in these brackets. Okay. Okay. Now let us get into our next exercise. Children, let us check our next exercise. Some articles have been incorrectly used in this passage. Cross them out and write the correct articles here. See, let us check this passage. One morning, as Sam was walking to school, a big truck rattled along and rode past him. Here, article the is incorrectly used. So, what they have done? They have crossed this article and they have used the article a. And let us continue here. Rattled along and rode, here they have given. See the letter R. It is not vowel, it's a consonant. So what we have to use here? First we should not use an. So let us cut it. And particular place here. What they have mentioned? Road. So what we have to add here? The. Here children, one morning, as Sam was walking to school, a big truck rattled along the road past him. So here this sentence is perfectly right now. And let us check the next one. The truck jolted over the bump in a road and an box fell off. Which articles we have to use here? See, here they have again given two incorrectly used articles. What are they? See, you can check here. Not the bump, it's a bump. So let us cut it the and let us write here a. And in a road and an box fell off. In a road is wrong again. Particular road they have mentioned, so we have to write here the. See here, the truck jolted over a bump in the road and an box they have given. Again, here you can check it is consonant. So what we have to use? A. Let us read the full sentence here. One morning as Sam was walking to school, a big truck rattled along the road past him. The truck jolted over a bump in the road and a box fell off. Okay, let us check the next. The box smashed open, but a truck kept going along the road and out of sight. In this sentence again they have mentioned incorrectly articles, incorrectly used articles. So what we have to use here? You can check over here. See, the box smashed open, but the truck, particular thing they have mentioned, right? So we have to cut this article and we have to use the article the. Okay. So the box smashed open, but the truck kept on going along the road. What we have to use? Okay, along the road and out of sight. Now it is became a full complete sense of sentence, and let us check the next. Out of a broken box there fell out the egg. Out of a box, not. Here we have to not a broken box. Out of the broken box there fell out the egg. The egg or a egg, children? Tell me. The egg, a egg or an egg? Of course, here the letter is vowel. So what we have to use here? Article an. And let us check the next. But what a egg? Here again wrongly they have used. Here they have used incorrect article. We have to use and because of this vowel letter. And it was as big as Sam, and when he pushed it, an egg rolled. Here again they have used any incorrectly articles. Check here. Check here, children. Not an egg rolled. Here we have to use the. See, particular. When we repeat the word again, we have to use the here. We have used egg here. In the same sentence, they have repeated means what we have to use? Of course, the. Okay, Sam rolled it all the way to school. Sam rolled all the way to school. In this sentence, no any other incorrectly spelled or incorrectly used articles. Now let us check the next line. Put it on a mat, dear, said Miss Hatfield, Sam's teacher. See here, when she saw a huge egg. Here, what we have to mention here? The huge, because it is saying particular size, right? So what we have to use the article? The. We have to cut the article a and we have to use the article the. And here next, as Sam rolled an egg onto a mat, he noticed there was the crack in it. Here again we have to check few. See, as Sam rolled. See here egg already mentioned. So what we have to mention here? The. When we are using two times in the same line, we have to use the. See, the huge egg, as Sam rolled the egg onto a mat, he noticed. What he noticed? He noticed there was the crack in it. Here what we have to use? Not the crack here. Here the article a crack in it. Then he heard noises coming from inside an egg. Inside an egg, not here. Inside the egg we have to use. Okay. Then he heard noise coming from inside the egg. Tap, 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 chip, chip, chip. The crack in an egg got wider. Here again we have to check one other article. Here they have mentioned an. But here what we have to mention? The. So let us write the here. Now let us read full sentence here. Then he heard noises coming from inside the egg. Tap, 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 chip, chip, chip. The crack in the egg got wider. Now let us check the next line. Then an egg split in half right through a middle. Out of a broken egg, they rolled and bundled. A bundle uncurled itself, sat up and smiled. It was the beautiful baby dinosaur. In these lines, we have to again cut the incorrectly used articles and we have to add the correct articles here. Then an egg not here, then the egg split in half right through, a middle knot, the middle. Here which article we have to use? The. See, then the egg split in half right through the middle, out of a broken egg. Here out of a knot, out of the broken egg, they rolled an bundle, not here children, a bundle. Okay, a bundle uncurled itself, sat up and smiled. It was the beauty baby dinosaur. Here the not children, a beauty baby dinosaur, because for the first time we have used this letter, right? For the first time we have used the word baby dinosaur, so we have to use a. If we repeat the words again, we have to use the article the. Okay children? Okay, we have completed this passage. Now let us get into our next exercise. Listen and speak. See here children, what is the first important event in your life that you remember? How old are you? How old were you? Then talk to your partner about it. See here, small conversation they have given. You can share some interesting memories with the class. Ask to your parents about her or his earliest memory. Okay children? See here, Meera. I remember the birthday party I had when I was 4 years old. Many friends and relatives had come. We played lots of games and had great fun. Then Anil is saying, I remember my first day at school when I was 5 years old. In the same manner, you can share some of interesting memories with the person or in the class or with the person or with the parents or with the class. Ask your parents about it or him or her earliest memory. Okay children, let us get into our next exercise. See here children, our next exercise is write well. In this exercise, what we have to do? What does the picture make you think about? Write a paragraph in 6 sentences. You may use words from the box. In this box, they have given few words. See here, family, happy, love, holiday, grandfather. Okay, by using these keywords, you have to make the sentences. How many? 6 sentences. Okay, children? Will you write it? This picture reminds me of the time when we had gone to visit my aunt in Australia. My grandparents and gone too, and we had great fun together. It was December but warm in Australia. It was the first time that we celebrated a bright sunny Christmas. We bathed in the sea and had fish and chips on the beach. We visited a museum where we saw the pictures of old ships. We also went to a park. There we saw kangaroos. We saw kangaroos and koala bears. We had a wonderful time. I have explained one example children. In the same manner, you can use other states or other places to mention, and you can write a paragraph which contains 6 sentences. Okay children? This is your homework. Okay? Please finish it and let us meet in our next class. Let us start grammar part from lesson 4. Okay children? Let us meet in our next class. Thank you.